Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously let's open up settings. From the settings, scroll all the way down to System, tap on Advanced, and from here you'll see Reset Options. And in here you have the option to erase all data and factory reset in parentheses. So let's tap on it. And then it gives you a message that basically performing this will remove things like your Google account, system, app, and data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Now, with the first one, the Google account, there's also provided the account that it will remove. So if there's anything on this device that you would like to keep, then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you just don't want to, click on Reset Phone. If you have some kind of protection, then, well, you will need to confirm it. You do have a pattern, as you can see, so let's do that. And from here, we can tap on Erase Everything, and this will basically begin the process. Now, this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.